The Corsair iCUE Link Titan 360 RX liquid cooler is a premium all-in-one liquid CPU cooling solution that delivers robust thermal performance, advanced RGB integration, and seamless system control for high-end gaming rigs and enthusiast builds. Featuring a 360mm radiator paired with three high-performance RGB fans, it efficiently dissipates heat from demanding processor under heavy workloads like gaming, streaming, creative application, and overclocking, helping keep temperature consistently low and performance stable. A standout feature of this cooler it is deep integration with Corsair's iCUE ecosystem. The pump head and fans can be fully synchronized with iCUE software, providing dynamic RGB lighting effect, real-time system monitoring, and customizable profiles directly from your desktop. This lets you match thermal performance and visual flair with the rest of the Corsair equipped setup for a cohesive overall build. The included fans are tuned for an optimal balance of airflow and static pressure, ensuring efficient heat transfer through the dense radiator fins while maintaining relatively quiet operation. Installation is straightforward for an all-in-one with mounting hardware included for a wide range of modern Intel's and AMD CPU sockets. Overall, the Corsair iCUE Link Titan 360